Elevate your GPU, secure the power. Today, we are walking you through the complete installation of the EZDIY-FAB AH18 PCIe 5.0 ARGB multi-angle vertical GPU mount. Before we begin, please verify that your case's internal space meets the official recommended dimensions. Ensure you have at least 7 available PCIe slots and sufficient clearance for a seamless fit. Step 1. Choose your preferred mounting method, either the magnetic bases or the fan mount bases, and secure them with screws according to the manual. Step 2. Flip the bracket over and use the screws to mount the PCIe 5.0 riser cable to the bottom, but leave them slightly loose for now. Step 3. Flip the bracket back to the front, mount your graphics card onto the structure, and secure it firmly with the mounting screws. Step 4. Flip the bracket to the back once again. Now you can fully tighten those screws to lock the PCIe 5.0 riser cable securely in place. Step 5. Connect the ARGB lighting cable now while you still have easy access to the motherboard. Step 6. Carefully insert the other end of the PCIe riser cable into your motherboard's primary PCIe slot. Step 7. Secure the mount inside your chassis. If you're using the fan mount bases, secure the bracket directly onto your case fans. If you're using the magnetic bases, position and align the bracket onto a metal surface inside the case. Step 8. Tilt the bracket to customize your perfect showcase angle. Once you've found the ideal view, tighten the locking screws to secure it firmly into place. You can also install the included GPU brace support here to eliminate any future sag. The EZDIY-FAB AH18, sleek presentation, rock-solid stability. Build your ultimate setup today.